Is your lock glitching and continually flashes red after you lock or unlock your door? Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a reset on the Weiser SmartCode keyless entry system. You're going to want to do a reset and a rehanding, which I'll show you how to do as well, if you're getting that flashing red constantly even though the deadbolt is locking and unlocking, or if you simply forgot your code and you want to reset the factory settings to program a new code. So this red flashing before and after locking is usually the first indicator that it's just your batteries that need to be replaced. So you go ahead and swap for new batteries. But even after the new batteries are installed, you still might get that annoyed red flashing because after installing new batteries, you might have to go and perform this reset as well. And to get that done, we're going to move on into the inside of the door and remove the battery cover. If you're having that red flashing up front, then this is where you're going to want to go and change the batteries. If it's simply to reset the factory setting, to put in new code, skip the battery changing. After that, we're going to want to look down here for the programming button. Press and hold that for about 15 seconds until you hear some beeping. Let go, quick press one more time, you're going to hear a long beep. Reset, done. Your old codes have been wiped clean and you can come to the front to install a new code. Before I show you how to install a new code, we're going to go do that rehanding process. What this is going to do is going to teach the door whether you have a left or a right hand open door. And to do that, we're going to come back again and press the program once, and then up front, the 0 button and the lock button. That's going to cycle the deadbolt in and out. And that right there just taught your door whether it's a left or right-handed. Very important step, and you can't skip that. Now you can finish off with programming a new code. To do that, once again, always start off by tapping the programming button at the back. Similar to the rehanding, except this time we're pressing the 1 and the lock button, and we can put in whatever code we want between 4 and 8 digits. Let's do 0550 lock. And now we should have set that as our new code. Let's lock the deadbolt, and 0550 should unlock it. Success. And you can repeat that step to set multiple codes, always starting off with the program button at the back and then come around front. But instead of this time hitting the 1, if this is going to be the second code you're programming, you hit the number 2, followed by lock with whatever 4 to 8 digit code you want, finishing off once again with the lock, and your second code is set. And keep going. I think up to 20 codes this lock allows. Guys, I hope this video helped you get your lock reset, and if it did, let me know in the comments. I love reading them and I always make sure to reply. Hearing that my videos might help somebody get the job done really means a lot.